Dear students, today we are going to learn our lesson number 2 altogether, class 5, environmental studies. The first point, it is given that we use air and water and food. 3 points are very important: air, water, food. Sometimes we see them being misused. In environmental gives us land to grow food and build houses. Do we really do anything to maintain and preserve it? No. We are taking lot of misuses to preserve it. So in order to preserve it, we have to take some steps. Our country is a country with a rich diversity. Our country shows diversity in religion, caste, language, sex and status. Although these diversities are there, even then we provided with equal facilities. We have diversed in this all this matter, but then also we are giving equal facilities to all. We should think about where these facilities are derived from. Derived means from where it is coming. Here we shall discuss about the facilities we are getting and how much we are allowed regarding them. So in order to learn that, we have to learn the Aryan story. Aryan was a boy who reached to the Ahmedabad. When he was reached, nobody knows from where he came, where he will stay, and what he will do to get food. All our needs are fulfilled by our parents, but we will help to this boy. What happened to him? In order to learn what he is doing, that is given here on the second page. He is asking for a home, then finally he is roaming. After roaming, he is going to in a one pipe, and there he is getting his accommodation for a temporary being. Afterwards, he started living there. Then suddenly one more boy also joined with Aryan. Aryan and another boy started living together. Afterwards, they started making all the things together by putting some shelter and everything near to it. Then they have given some question to us. Where would Aryan's first house be? Which facility would Aryan have first? Why would another boy have joined Aryan? What may another boy have brought with him? Who will benefited due to both of the boys being together? What other facility would both friends get? Now, then there are some more questions also given here that we have to find out the answers, that later on I shall give you via PDF. But before that, all the students try to get this answer, that in which house we are living, what facilities we are getting, and how we will keep the clear the area around our house. What are the essential things required for a man to live? These all points are very important to think over it. So please think it and get ready with your answers. More answers I shall give you. Then next one activity is there. What is made from what in your textbook? Made from wood. Made from wood comes from tree. I shall maintain the tree. That all the tables are given here. What is made from wood? That quote is there. Then wood comes from the tree, and then I shall maintain the tree. That I have to learn more about it. So all students should say that I will learn more about it and write down this all this remaining points. So you can note down here your remaining points, how it is prepared, and how you will maintain your trees. That you have to read this and noting down your imaginations, what will you do it. Next, some observations are there. These observations you prepare it, and furthermore we will talk in our next session about this observation. Thank you friends.